We all know Fiverr is a freelance platform where skilled freelancers share their gigs. Now, the services provided on Fiverr are called gigs, and these gigs range from business promotions, graphic designs, content writing, translations, and a lot more. But these are all skilled services, which brings the question on how you can make money on Fiverr without any skills. Is it even possible? In this video, I'm quickly going to walk you through what you need to start doing today to start making money without any skills on Fiverr, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way you can start making money today on Fiverr without any skills or lifting a finger. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can get up to 20 free traffic sources to help you start promoting your Fiverr gigs for more visibility. Now, before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies online beginning from scratch, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The most common way of making money on Fiverr without any skills is by doing digital arbitrage. Digital arbitrage is where you outsource a service from one platform at a cheaper rate and sell the same service on another platform for a much more higher price, hence making money from the difference. So for example, let's just say you are selling a graphic designing gig on Fiverr for say $10, right? Now you can go to another freelance site like truelance.com and click on the designer and creative option here and start searching. Most often on this platform, you'll find the same Fiverr gigs at a far cheaper rate. You can easily outsource your Fiverr gig here for as low as $1, like this guy offering it here. Check out this one offering designing skills for $2 an hour. Look at that, he actually has a brush up skills in Illustrator, Photoshop, and UI designing. Geekbox is another similar platform like Fiverr, and here if I select the graphic tab here on the left, you also see that most of the gigs here cost just $5. Select any of the gigs here and offer the same gig on Fiverr for double the price. So as you can see, you can hire someone from a site like this for as little as $5 and you still make a $5 profit if your gig on Fiverr costs $10, and you can even charge more if you choose. Basically, when you get an order from Fiverr, you ask someone from Geekbox or truelance.com to do the job for you and you split the money, you keeping the larger chunk and paying the smaller amount to the person doing the job for you. Now, if you want a successful Fiverr gig, it's not just enough to create a listing on Fiverr. You also need to let people know your gig is on Fiverr so you can start making sales and getting the ratings and review that makes the difference between success and failure on Fiverr. Now, as you know, there is only one way to let people know about anything online: getting people to the offer. Below this video in the description area, you'll find a link to my secret 20+ easy ways to quickly get targeted and organic free traffic to any offer you're promoting online. You'll also find a link to this Fiverr course called Fiverrlicious. Fiverrlicious is a high quality training that shows you how to copy and paste the exact strategies that Bobby used to get incredible results in no time at all, even as a complete newbie, without doing any of the actual work himself. This guy Bobby managed to crack the perfect little side income strategy to bring him some extra cash each week, and he only spent a maximum of an hour a day doing it. With this training course, you discover a simple way of listing gigs on Fiverr that will not only be extremely popular, but also that you can outsource for peanuts on the dollar, yet delivering high quality results time and time again. If you were thinking Fiverr was a thing of the past, think again, because you will see in Fiverrlicious that it's a huge marketplace full of hungry buyers for the gigs that Bobby will show you in the Fiverrlicious training course. The bottom line is, if you can copy and paste, you can definitely create profitable gigs on Fiverr using the Fiverrlicious training course. The training course will even show you how you can buy gigs for as little as $1 and sell it for at least $50 over and over again. Just imagine what it would be like for people waiting in line for the service you provide, a service that you offer without any skills. Imagine knowing that every month you have an extra income stream flowing from Fiverr. Isn't it just about time to pick up that training course that doesn't promise you hundreds or thousands of dollars in the next 15 minutes, but actually shows you an honest and genuine system that you can do yourself and get real results? The Fiverrlicious training course is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more of a make some extra money in your spare time for real scheme. And now with all that, I will wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.